Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. The first one I make after saying goodbye to Alex. I would lie if I said it hasn't been hard, because it has. In fact, it has been so hard that I think I subconsciously shut my feelings off at times. But with the holidays came a week off, which made me able to process everything a little bit better. As always, I spend a lot of time outside, both at the country house and in Stockholm. In Stockholm, there hasn't really been any snow, but still pretty cold. I've been out taking a lot of ice plunges, just as usual. I've also been walking into the forest, as deep as I possibly could. It's just something about being deep within the woods that makes me feel so at peace. And the beauty of something so simple as seeing your own breath helps me stay focused and processing everything that has happened. Focusing on details in general feels very calming to me. Like admiring the snow-covered evergreens, icicles hanging down from the rooftops, or simply looking at the water passing by through a river. Focusing on details like these help me stay in a good spirit. It's all simply that beautiful to me. And at the country house, there has been plenty of snow. So much snow that my dad and I were able to go skiing downhill. It was so nice to do something really fun, making it easier not to think too much about Alex. Hello everyone! I'm now at the country house, the one closer to Stockholm. I didn't go all the way up north, even though this is also north, it's not as north. I went here because I wanted to process everything that's been going on. After Alex and I broke up and he left and moved back to the States, I just really needed to get away from the city and be in nature as much as possible. It's been tough, and before I was working constantly, so that was like keeping me occupied from processing everything. And now when it's the holidays and I have time off, I am definitely processing everything a bit more. It's such a beautiful day though. I'm on my way down to the lake. It's so cold and the sun is out. I'm gonna try to take some good pictures and videos for you guys to enjoy. The coldness here also made the ice down by the lake sing beautifully, like it does when it's getting thicker. The ice is expanding, creating tension. And when the tension gets too much, it cracks, making the ice sink. Something I'm a little bit sad about is the beautiful tree, the beautiful dead tree that has always been here as long as we've had this country house, has now broken in half. So the top of the tree is laying there, sticking up through the ice right now. It was so beautiful before. I don't know if you remember, I have a scene from another video where I walked here along the ice. I will show it right now so you can see it as a reminder. But I always loved taking pictures of it, and now I won't be able to do that anymore. But that's nature, and we have to let nature have its path. It's really cold today, so my nose is dripping all the time. But it's so worth it, because it's just wonderful being out here, seeing the light snow falling down, and hearing the woodpecker and the cracking trees in the background. My nose is dripping again. To me, I think moments like these are the reason we are alive. I really do. Well, I guess that's it for this video. Now it's time for me to get warm in front of a fire. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!